Here I boil 5 eggs and 2 big carrots to make bird foods. I just deboil. Before the boiling, we have to clean properly. Yeah, here is okay, boiled nicely, eggs also boiled fully, carrot also like that. I just keep without in the simple water. Now I just remove the cells from the eggs. I just keep like that, and also I just clean the carrot and keep in a array. Now I just scrape the old things, eggs and the carrot with a scraper. Yeah, scrape fully. When we just scrape nicely, the birds can eat very quickly. No, we don't need to take a wastage. Then I mix with those summer poser. Then I have at this Prime Company multivitamin. This is very good. Vitamin, minerals, amino acids, everything is having. I'm going to add with this food, this one also. Yeah, this amount of vitamins enough. Yes, now I'm just mix with the food very nicely. Yes, mixed well over like crumble method, like that mean eggs, carrot, vitamin, multivitamin, and also I have mixed and keep here. I have just add with this meal papaya, groundnut, passion fruit. I just add some more fruits also with this. I just keep in many trays for all birds like this. We have to make every day. Okay, first big way I just keep for the ring necks. I have all ring neck colors, mostly blue, white, yellow, and also green. They are just trying to eat. They are trying to come and eat their food. Little by little it is coming to down. Yeah, finally it came. Firstly, first they started to eat groundnut. Yeah, other one also just trying to come and eat, join with that. That's like sweet papaya. Firstly, they are just taking papaya. Okay, see how they are eating nicely. Blue ringneck, white ringneck, everyone. Nextly, I just keep this food for the Sangonia birds. And I just keep the next one to the cocktail. Here I just keep for the Macaw also. Lucky, come down and eat, baby. See the beauty of this Macaw, and they are eating very nicely. And I just wash them and keep outside. Okay.